Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to create the simple calculator. Alright, so here we'll be creating a simple calculator in Python, and this calculator is not a GUI application. It's not like the one we do with GUI. This is a simple one that helps us to be able to check out multiplication, division, plus, and other things in the basic way that we do that in programming. Let's go ahead and say print, and then go ahead and tell the users 0 exits program, or go ahead and say 0 terminates program. So once you click 0, the program will be terminated, or 0 operation, because some people will be afraid to know if we choose a 0. Once we insert 0, it will go ahead and terminate. And let's go ahead and say y true. Okay, that means y true. We go ahead and say that x is equal to input. X is equal to input, and what we impute from there will be operator. Let's say operator, and the operators are, go ahead and say choose operator, and then give in the symbols of the operator that we'll be choosing. Let's say plus, minus, asterisk, that is for multiplication, and division. So whatever the user chooses, we go ahead and check it out. So if, okay, let's use O for the operator. So choose operator if O. Alright, I hope that will be better for us. So if O is equivalent to 0, so if O is equivalent to 0, we go ahead and break. Go ahead and break, and if O, the O is operator, if O in, let's say plus, minus, multiplication, division. So if any of these is chosen, so x is equal to, let's say x is equal to float, I'll go ahead and impute. Let's go ahead and say enter the value of x, enter the value of x, and y is equal to float impute. So I'm going to say enter the value of y. So enter the value of y. So now we go ahead and check if O, that is operator, is equivalent to, so if operator is equivalent to plus, we go ahead and carry out, let's say print two decimal place, go ahead and say percentage point 2f, percentage point 2f modulus, that is modulus x plus y. So else if 0 equal to minus, then go ahead and print, go ahead and print percentage point 2f percentage point 2f percentage x minus y. Else if 0. So let's go ahead and say if 0 is equivalent to multiplication, that is x theory. So go ahead and just do exactly the same thing. Go ahead and say print, and you go ahead and put percentage. Go ahead and say percentage dots 2f percentage dot 12 modulus x theories y. So go ahead and do that again for alif. So go ahead and say alif 0 is equivalent to the next one, and that is division. And then we go ahead and print out percentage point 2f modulus x divided by y. Alright, so now, but before we do that, we have to check if y is not equal to 0. So go ahead and copy this, cut this off. Okay, go ahead and move that, because if 0 cannot be allowed to divide, so go ahead and put an if statement if y is not equal to 0. Alright, go ahead and press that, and now else go ahead and tell the user, because this is an intelligent calculator, so I want to tell the user error division by 0. So once you do that, you go ahead and complete this where it says else. That means the go ahead and say else invalid operator. So maybe you didn't put the right operator there. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. And we have problem at line 18, and then that is, go ahead and put apostrophe right here and run this code again. Let's check it out. So 0 operation terminates program. Okay, so 0 and the program is terminated. Can you see that? Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So go ahead and choose plus and enter first value 12, second one 7, and hit 19.00. Can you see that? And you can also go ahead and continue. You want a multiplication, enter first one 3, second one 2, and that is 6, and this you can continue this and keep moving. Alright, so you can go ahead and choose negative, that is minus 5, 19, and the answer is negative 14. Alright, so what if you choose division and 45 and 0? You see, error, division by 0, not allowed. Alright, so go ahead and remove this. The code is just ready before you. Right here, go ahead and put this down on your own system, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.